Just a few kilometers outside of Minsk, along many large houses, there's one miniature house with a total area of just 16 square meters. One could think that it was some sort of a gatehouse, but that's not so. A family of 3 lives in this house, and it's actually quite cozy. According to the owners themselves, there's enough space for all the necessities, and none of the family members feel deprived of personal space. This family isn't afraid to live in close quarters, because they believe that as long as their home is comfortable and cozy, the rest will come. The story of the unusual house began when the Eskerko family bought the land where they planned on building a house. While the construction was in process, they had to live in the city in a rented apartment, which cost them $350. Travel expenses to and from the construction site, located 40 kilometers out of the city, amounted to another $150 per month. Spending $500 each month made the head of the family look for ways to cut down the costs, and he came up with a brilliant idea: to build a miniature house on their suburban land and live there while the big house is under construction. The couple found the blueprints for their future home online. Its size was 4 by 4 meters, with the ceiling almost 4 meters high. The project had 4 levels. The main area was allocated to the living room, the kitchen was a bit higher, and the sleeping area was located at the highest level. The house foundation was made of pillars, and the wood for the construction of the miniature house was taken from the main construction site. For the windows, the man only had to buy glass, as he made the wooden frames with his own hands. Laminate flooring was bought at a confiscated goods store, so it cost 70% less than if it were bought in a hardware store. According to the owner, the entire house, including the interior items, cost him $4,500. Thanks to high-quality insulation, the family only used air conditioning as a heat source. In addition to the air conditioner, their house has a computer, a kettle, a stove, a fridge, and a number of other necessary electrical appliances. The family's utility bill only includes electricity, and in case of a power shortage, the house has gas as a heating device. It's worth noting that the layout of the house is very well thought through. Each area is located on its own separate level. A washing machine and a water heater are hidden under the kitchen. A storage space for various little things is also located there. The bathroom has a shower in it. The fresh air for the house is supplied through the ventilation ducts located in the kitchen and in the bathroom. So this is how it's possible for an entire family to live comfortably in just 16 square meters without spending too much.